What's up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel here, right here at Keeping It Cute with Sweet Angel. I was just about to demonstrate to y'all this FOREO UFO 2, but my girl Kyra Monique has done it so well. So how about I just let Kyra do her thing? Come on, Kyra.
Take some extra steps in my skincare today, and honestly, when I just came back from my trip, y'all, my skin got so dull. Even though I needed those UV rays, I ain't gonna lie, I needed those UV rays. Girl, my skin was so dry, flaky, like on my shoulder. You can see it was kind of peeling. And then my face was so bad, y'all. Like, I don't even want to talk about it. It was not cute. So, but I've been really taking, like, you know, the extra steps that I need to in my skincare routine. And I'm about to show y'all the sheet mask that I use that is literally a game changer. And y'all are going to be so shook. Because this is not like the typical you put it on your face sheet mask. This is like you get that at-home spa treatment. Y'all know I'm good for that. I love me a good facial. But like I said, I don't want to spend money like that, so I do have my at-home sheet mask that I use that gives me that spa treatment that I like, you know, and it saves me so much money and it gives me the same experience. So I'm about to put y'all on like right now. So this is the UFO 2 by FOREO. The UFO 2 is an LED sheet mask device that uses T-sonic pulsations that help better absorb the mask essence deep into your skin. So I'm about to show y'all how this works, but I just want to tell y'all like first before we even get into everything. So basically this little device has 8 different lights on here which have their own skincare benefits, which the green light is going to help even out your skin tone, brightens up dull skin, back then y'all are going to get all these skincare benefits with these 8 different lights. I'm about to show you how it works because baby, I'm ready to do my treatment, okay? So you're gonna go into the app. I have the UFO 2 and the Luna Mini 3. I use the Luna Mini 3 to wash my face and it gives off a pulsation feeling as well. So anyway, so I'm gonna click on the UFO 2 and I'm gonna say treatments and it's gonna connect my thing, which is just lit up. So get ready. There's a glow addict, which is enhanced brightening, which is gonna help me even out my skin tone. It looks very youthful, glowy. It brightens on my skin, even on my complexion, which like I want to do. Just overall, just I want my skin to look really good. To start the treatment. So basically, like I said, the app is so easy and simple. It walks you through everything, girl, everything. Okay, so now that I have my mask on, my FOREO UFO 2, now I'm gonna click start. It's literally guiding you step by step through your whole treatment, which I like, so it's pretty much self-explanatory. Like I said, this little green light, which is going to even out my skin tone, brighten it, which we love. So I'm just gonna do this, and this is a 90-second mask, but I'm just gonna be quiet.
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Your smart mask treatment is now complete.
Y'all, my skin looks so good. Like I said, y'all, this is like a sheet mask game changer.
And that's it in a nutshell. Basically, this is just the ultimate full facial treatment right in this little UFO 2. Imagine the best facial you ever had, but it's right in the palm of your hand, and it takes just a couple of minutes and you're done. You can take care of your skin from top to bottom, and guess what? You will be looking amazing and you'll feel like you've just come from a high-tech spa. I'm your girl Sweet Angel, bringing you something you can use. Definitely check out the description box. The link will be below, which is my affiliate link with FOREO and any discount codes that are available. I appreciate you for watching. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.